T Rowe, row, row your boat gently down the stream. It's not as far down as Valero and Blackstone and Caterpillar, but I've been looking at T Rowe Price for a while now and told myself if it ever gets in the 110s, again, it's been battling back and forth. If it ever gets in the 110s again, maybe I'll make a move on some put action. And as we look at it right now, it's at 110.48. Lowest of the year, let's see, we had 108.21 here on January 5th, and then on March 10th it was at 105.03. So T Rowe taking it on the chin just a little bit today as the market has a minor sell-off. S&P down 0.77%, the Dow 0.71%, NASDAQ 0.74%, and then that Russell, which is tied to a lot of those regional banks. There's a lot of regional banks inside the Russell 2000. Those are those smaller cap companies inside the Russell, down over 2.24%. So let's take a look over at T Rowe. The T to the row I was going to look at, or I am going to look at as we speak here on Seeking Alpha. Dividend yield currently is 4.34. And then dividend yield theory says that if the current yield, 4.34, is higher than the average, 3.30, then it's likely undervalued if and only if you have yourself a sound company. And I do believe T Rowe Price is indeed that after the reviews that I've done on it. So let's just look at what T Rowe Price, the TROW, what it would look like if we made some trades here, if we made a nice trade selling some puts, maybe spinning the wheel of fortune. Let's go out 1 week, see what those numbers look like. Interesting. We can go all the way down to 107 on the strike to get just over 1% on our money in 10 days. But we can get more conservative going out to that April 21st date, 17 days out. How low can we go? Can we go down low? We can go all the way down to 104. We can go down to 104 and collect $1.10. Let's go ahead and put some of those on the board and see what we can do here. Let's look at 3 of those. What can we get? Can we get $1.20? So can we collect $360 today for some hamburgers tomorrow? So it'd be $31,020 or $31,200 in collateral to collect the $360. We'll do our fantasy math in a moment. Let's take a look if this will fill right here 14 minutes before the bell tolls. Ding-a-ling-a-ding-ding-ding. Let's see here. What are we looking at? Where did I have it up? Yeah. 110.44. Let's go to the 1 day, 110.37. Got a lot of red at the end here. A lot of red action. 110.36. Going once, going twice. We got a pending order out still. It is still pending. 14 minutes to go. We may have to replace that order, change it up just a little bit. Let's look to see if it goes down a little bit more, give it a little more time to season. 110.37, trying to come up on us. Get on up. Get up. Actually, we want it to go downtown to Chinatown. Go down just a little bit. Well, looks like it filled. It is gone now. It is gone. Let's go to 421. There is some of our action that we've done, right? We have the Blackstone $72 puts, 10 of those. We've got Bank of America $32 calls, 10 of those on 421. We got a couple of those cities. This is a bad one right now. 47.50 puts, 3 of those. So we may have to take it on the chin and be assigned those so we can start collecting dividends and spinning the wheel of fortune. There are the Caterpillar puts that we sold today. We've got Coterra calls at 26. Coterra calls at 25.50. Devon 55 puts, 53 calls. Where is it? Where is TROW? There it is. T Rowe and the Price 421, 104 puts, 3 contracts, and we collected, where is it? There it is. We collected $360 bills. We'll be keeping an eye on that because it's another one of those, I don't know what you'd call it, flip type trades where we're not trying to take it through the April 21st expiration. I'd be looking at profit anywhere probably 50% and above, or maybe bailing if things really start to go against me, because we don't know. Today could be the beginning of a next bear slide here where we continue to go down day after day. I don't think that's going to happen, but you never do know, do you? Because we've had a little bit of a rally here last week in the S&P and Dow and NASDAQ, all the good ones, not the Russell necessarily. So we'll look to those trades, see what's going to happen, how we need to adjust them, and then hopefully, most importantly, how we will then close them out in the profit. That will be the most fun we can have. And then there was our SPY trade of the day earlier today. We are now in 100% profit according to the algorithms, because there's still time to go, but let's see what SPY is doing. It is at 407.68 with 11 minutes to go in the trading day. So we'll just let that expire at 100% profit, or as they call it, worthless. We can do that as well. So that's what we're looking at today. That's the action. We'll close this out. I'll come back, visit with you again tomorrow and see what we have, a red day or a green day. If we got a really good green day, we might be able to close out some of these positions we opened today and collect some dollar bills. So we'll find out tomorrow. Until then, tomorrow, won't you join me again tomorrow on the Wealth Snowball? Make sure you are indeed a subscriber. Like this video, click the notification bell, leave me a lovable comment, share the channel with a very sweet friend of yours, and I'll see you in the next video.